Good morning, this is Miss Harrison. I'm going to go over some of the sounds that we use when we do our reading program, and then I'm going to go over how we blend those sounds. So, I'm just going to work on the top row for this video, and you guys let me know if this was effective or not. Listen. Your turn. Again. Get ready. Yes. Next sound. Get ready. Yes. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Next sound. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Next sound. Listen. E. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. E. Next sound. Listen. Again, listen. Your sound. Get ready. Yes. Next sound. D. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. D. Now we're going to work on blending these sounds together. Miss Harrison is just going to blend A and S and E and D. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Next sound. Listen. C. Again. Listen. C. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Yes. C. Last sound. Listen. D. Again. Listen. D. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. That was perfect. I saw that you were trying your best, and that's what matters. Don't forget, when we are going into blending, we are not stopping between the sounds. So we're going There was no gap. I kept my motor rolling the whole time. Keep practicing these sounds. I'm really proud of you guys. Y'all have a great day.